In today's video, we are going to show you how to increase upload speed and pCloud. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is if you are using the pCloud web browser version, I want you to log in using your credentials and click the Go to My Account. Now, from here, as you may notice, there should be an option. If you hover down at the bottom left corner, click the My Profile, and as you can see, there is an option here that says Speed Test. Now, you can check the speed and quality of your connection to the pCloud servers. And all I have to do is click the Start Test. Alright? It takes a little while, and at this point, it's important to know that you should not use a VPN or a proxy. It couldn't interfere with the speed test because this allows pCloud to use more of your internet bandwidth instead of being throttled. Alright? And as you can see, we are getting some results. It may take a little while depending on your internet connection, so we highly suggest you should be connected to a stable internet connection. Alright? Now, as you may notice, it fluctuates a little bit and it will give you this notification that you need to contact your ISP for a bandwidth limitations. And if you want to start again, you can do so. So that's one way. Another option that you can do is you need to go to your pCloud app, which is installed in your computer. Once you opened the pCloud app, all I have to do is super simple. Go to the bottom left corner where you can see the settings, and I want you to go to speed. As you can see, I have a speed limit here during uploads and download. And for you to be able to increase all these, all I have to do is super simple. For the upload speed, you can set it to unlimited and click the apply button. All right? It's super simple. Now, if you want to increase the download speed limit as well, you can do the same procedure. After that, try to restart and refresh your pCloud drive, and basically that's how you increase the upload speed in pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.